Here's to good fortune, good health, Kyrie's birthday, and getting the motherfucking stamp on the passport. You basic local bitches.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
So let's see. I like this one the best though.
You like that one?
I like this one the best.
I have a brown.
Or maybe this one.
You like that one?
How does it close? Does it screw on?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Only 5.
It's Bria 4. She started me off with 2 shots.
No, we was doing shots all while we was waiting for you.
All right, well, that means I wasn't supposed to take them.
I eat cheese. You want rice and beans?
Huh? Rice, no beans.
Sorry?
Rice, no beans.
Just take it off.
Hey, grab a shot. Everybody grab a shot. Everybody grab a shot.
Wait.
I ain't gonna leave myself out.
You should.
Okay. All right, y'all. We about to see how the hot sauce tastes, Sam. Like Bria said, the hot sauce good. We about to see.
I'm picky, so I'm saying.
Y'all, we about to see. This look hot.
Took you out, Term. You alright?
This looks super hot.
It burn.
Y'all, that shit hot.
Right here, 6 more shots. 10 shots.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are in Belize. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I got some clips from yesterday, but I got so fucked up. I got so fucked up as soon as I landed. I couldn't even participate. Let me find some shoes and then I'm about to show you, give y'all a little tour.
Yeah. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home. And I know I miss so much of your life. Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like that, the city parking lot. And the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wild. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it, and she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of options.
Okay, so I know I look crazy first of all, but I'm about to go to the gym with Tarby. It's his birthday trip. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is Tarby's birthday trip, y'all. I just walked from our cabin over there, and now we walk into the I think the front. I don't know, y'all, but this camera gonna keep getting fogged up. And a disclaimer on my bonnet. Y'all, I might have went for this print in like middle school, but honestly, this is the only print that they had with the. This is the only print that they had for braids. So do what we gotta do. But yes, y'all, it's so pretty out here. And we about to go get a workout in right before the beach day. I don't see it. Oh, how cute. Look at the little cabanas. No, my bougie friends, we gonna be in the cabana. Outdoor showers. This is everything, y'all. Matter of fact, I need to get some content for my Instagram because I haven't put nothing on Instagram, so I'm about to see. Okay, y'all, we found it. I found you. I was lost. But no, the pool distracted me. I ain't gonna lie.
Whole lot of gang shit. Bow, ground, flip, slip, hold up, I don't use my hand to let the blood talk. These and match and make it up. I can mix it in your nigga hit the drip,
sunglasses back outside. But y'all, we on the way to breakfast. I haven't took a shower or nothing. We just left the gym. But I had to go upstairs, charge my phone. So we're about to go get some, y'all. The resort is so beautiful. I know I showed y'all already, but come on. Take this all in. So yeah, we about to go to breakfast. I'ma just catch y'all when we get there. No, for real. I didn't realize it was gonna be this humid here.
Yeah, and we might burn.
Thank you, bro. For real?
My friends was just here 2 weeks ago. They burned up.
Thank you. It do look good. Avocado toast with shrimp. I'm just hoping.
Everybody got interested meals. I got the basic.
This bread so big. This shit about to be right on my.
It's so good.
If I don't like the way something look, I wouldn't even try it.
Yeah, we know.
They got this restaurant. It's like a pop-up thing. And you supposed to, they put a blindfold on you, then you supposed to eat like that.
Right, they do that at Andiamo's too. They
I love an adventurous person.
I don't know that bungee jumping though, not for me.
One of my friends.
Not bungee jumping though. That's too much.
So, yeah.
So you wouldn't do it?
I don't think so. I would skydive though.
The shower was interesting. I'm like, why is it wood? Like,
Need some ice to take back to the room.
y'all see that?
Y'all shower was wood.
Ice in there.
We got a really
Yeah, we regular.
No,
It's
we
deep.
had
I
to
took a big as
brush
hell.
But
Deep as
I didn't even have
fuck.
to feel it all the way.
I done had to lay down and I was like, what?
Yeah.
I was taking a shower every day. I'm like,
That shit
You
deep
got
as
nice
fuck.
tits, girl.
thank you, boo. They costing us.
They're not, do natural tits. They look good though.
Thank you.
You are, well, I don't like titties, but you're sick.
That's what it's giving today, y'all. Y'all, this from Shein. Everything. Her outfit. This bag. I think I had this off Amazon last minute for Jamaica. I brought this for the look, but today it's gonna be perfect. Y'all was blowing up balloons for Target, but this bitch not going. This balloon not going. Like we blowing up balloons, but not this one.
Go, baby, go, baby.
I had some bitches on my line. I told them bitches get those ass. Search for what's going, where's cold at? They be clutching every time. Bleed. Pedro to eat. Tell favorite rapper.
Cheers to good fortune, good health, Tyrie's birthday, and getting the motherfucking stamp on the passport. You basic local bitches. Tyree, you gonna be doing this before we get to this. We have to go out tonight.
I don't even see the birthday dress. Hold on, Tarby, tell me what you got on. Y'all didn't even see the birthday dress.
What a big deal kind of.
Okay, see, you don't know unless you know. Y'all didn't see. Da Vinci, what we got the Da Vinci fit. Okay.
Get it.
Okay. And that's just it. That's just period.
I am so happy that everybody was able to fly down.
That is fucking funny.
Almost made time. Like, bitch, I'm kind of feeling that liquor. It's no.
As you should.
Literally. Y'all, Tarvy and Bria made us miss our shuttle. Tarvy and Bria made us miss our shuttle. This the second shuttle we missed. This the second shuttle we missed trying to get to the beach.
We gonna make it, honey.
We might as well get a cabana. Look at the water. Y'all can see straight through. Y'all, there's water right here, I swear. The water's so warm. Yes, period, Tarvy. It's giving birthday. It's giving B-Day. Period. How you feel, Tarvy? You in a hammock in Belize in the ocean. What's up?
It's the vibe.
How you feeling?
It's the vibe.
Let the regular bitches know. They don't know.
It's the vibe.
Y'all, come on. Look, come on. Like, what's beating this?
With life.
What's beating this? Y'all, we about to go get some food and we about to chill and we about to just enjoy our life. Like, It's a young king birthday, so you know we gotta turn up one time. Ah! I cannot.
Oh wait. Hey Maggie, you too. Hi. You know, we off the strawberry daiquiris with extra liquor. Extra liquor.
Courtesy of our girl Bria.
Cheers! Cheers, pussy assholes. Yeah, this is really on. It's refreshing.
It's really good.
It tastes more like watermelon though. And it gets like more.
I'm not getting strawberry at all.
I'm not getting strawberry at all. Throw your liquor into it.
We done had a medical emergency.
Nurse Bree in the house.
Okay, she took care of everything. All right, y'all, we about to play Jenga.
Y'all ready?
I got it.
We're gonna get everything. Come on, Maggie started off. Bria, you gotta move out the way, babe. Maggie started it off. Okay. Maggie, come on.
God, it's going good.
Wait. No.
He's going the wrong way.
You do know that when we play, you cannot take from the first two, the top
This is
two
three.
layers.
Yeah, you gotta know that's right here. Three on the top. What the fuck? I took for three right here. Look right here.
This top was empty.
Here you go. Here, Bria. Who's gonna win? After Will, and after Will, it's me. Just pull it out. Pull out game strong, word? Oh my God.
That bitch about to fall.
Yo, Tari's about to.
Oh my God. Whoa, don't help him.
What y'all think? What you think, Tari? You think it's about to go down?
I don't think it'll be bad.
Oh my God, it's over.
I don't think it's.
You got this, Tarby. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be there.
Pull it out.
You got it, Tari.
Thank you.
Pull out game strong.
Pull out game is over.
Come on, Tari.
Maggie, you that's cheating, bitch.
It's Tari's birthday. It ain't no cheating.
Our boat here.
There you go.
I won, pussy asshole.
Period. Pussy ass.
This bitch helping you. You lost. Taking up my goddamn camera space.
Who started?
Y'all, look how clear the water is. You can see the little fish. Oh shit. Y'all, look how clear the water is. And our resort is all the way over there.
You better work, You got a motherfucker bring the motherfucker shut up, bitch.
That's not good. Hold on now. Don't talk like you know who I am.
Yeah, bro, you.
Meanwhile, I'm like,
Man, that ain't shit. I'm on my biggest one. What's I'm doing my biggest one?
Nah, okay, y'all gotta know. Period.
With the vibe. Ain't that right, Maggie? With the vibe. In the pool with the vibe. Come on, stars. Espanol. Kill it. I said kill it. And that bitch ain't wanna kill it. She's talking about kill it. I put that bitch like I got to stick it in her mouth like
you making drinks?
Yeah, I'm making drinks. Oh wait, who's this? Cause kill it.
We look good. The weather looks great.
I wanna be in the picture with y'all. Yeah, I know you getting it, but it's just been in there. Give a fuck with a nigga.
Cheers, y'all.
No, I've been kidding. That's our time to go.
Whatever we get. The theme is sexy.
Whatever you got, it's good. Period. But if you got black or white,
I let the kids fuck whenever he drunk. Never hear me say no, I won't.
Smile real.
She's so pretty.
you can smile
From the back on his breast, put a thumb in and make it look.
I keep forgetting to record it. We back from the pool. We got the bottles, y'all. So we gonna see.
Yeah, I get ready, make it 30 minutes to get to work. I've been falling asleep. So I can't do 6 hours.
Meet new people. It's on me, I'm the bank. You guys me out for free. Tommy, come on. I think we're gonna handle this one.
Y'all want to see a dead body? Everybody can't hang with us.
Y'all see a dead body?
It's only 8 o'clock, bro.
So Naeem said we going out no matter what. Morning shine.
Okay. You know the vibe.
Kill the bottle, kill the bottle. The fist. It's the fucking fist. Yeah, we back at the same place from yesterday for breakfast.
I was sitting outside.
And we gonna try the smoked fish hash today. Yesterday I had the avocado toast with roast shrimp. So we gonna try this today. It's so pretty. I know this one. It this
Taken to right?
They just brought me my break-up, but if it's free, we'll take it.
I ain't got no money.
I think not.
Everybody got bacon. Yeah, we finally got golf cart. We supposed to get a golf cart the first day. Then never needed it.
She said she didn't have to. We didn't have to pick one for her.
I'm gonna tell y'all that name.
That is for the tour company. We don't reserve out.
Okay.
We made it.
The big one would have been perfect.
That mean I'm
Ooh, we need some whistles.
okay. What happened to our whistles?
We need whistles right now. Oh, we're back tight. This is a party whistle again.
Okay, guys.
Here they go. These are the restaurants. No, this is so pretty. I know that's off the golf cart with the speed bump.
I've seen somebody car flip over before and they
Oh, stop. Good morning. Happy birthday, Tarby. Life of who? Okay, y'all. We not even. Is we at Island Wonderful?
We are at Island Wonder, the beach club.
Oh yeah. Okay, we at Island Wonder Beach Club. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, they say right there.
About to get the motherfucking liquid marijuana.
That look. Oh, I'm getting the sex in the driveway.
Oh, sex in the driveway. Where's that?
Right underneath liquid. I'm getting sex in the driveway. Sex in the driveway. That's all lit. Who driveway? Mine or yours?
Yes.
I can get a long sleeve Escalade. That's the only way I'm having sex with a girl. Alright.
Not in a long sleeve Escalade.
The option. It's like
do your big one in the back of the neon.
Oh, we'll not. Wait a minute.
I've never even been to the neon. You can't do shit big in no neon. Sorry, I don't want to sit at the bench.
You can sit on the chair.
Okay.
I'm coming back here.
Change it.
These are super cute.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, we got shots. I'm waiting on mine, y'all. I can't drink the Blanco. That shit took me out the first day. We can't have a repeat. Don't do that, sorry. We can do
Hey, Maggie's camera. Got me looking ghetto, but it's okay.
I'm gonna record.
The sun is in Celine.
The shot. Have y'all ever had sex on the beach?
The liquor or actual sex?
No, sex on the beach.
Oh my God, the camera rolling. They let us go though, but yeah.
We have no more stories for you.
Cheers, Sunday fun day. Happy birthday, Darby.
Blow jobs for everybody.
Oh my God.
Oh, let me in. It's like an orgy.
Pretty much the same for you.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
So that's so everybody's missing.
Me and Naeem.
Airport, y'all. As long as you're supposed to be.
Okay, so this where we gonna fly at tomorrow. Okay. Oh, y'all see the ocean up there? Look at the ocean.
The first thing, what pussy ass dog?
We should come here later.
Yeah, I like the seaside dining. Yo, why would we order these sides? We got this or falafel. Yeah, we'll get us a fly side. So we about to do it how we did that one. Like, okay.
We need somebody to. She gon' cut out the country, in the country, your country, your hood. She gon' cut.
I like that.
She that girl. She gon' cut. We'll do your video one last night.
You allowed me to see me with the hood niggas on the block.
Okay.
That's a nice thing.
Tay did the pink by Marley.
Tell me what you say now.